Hello, fellow gardeners. There is a unique kind of magic that happens around the dinner table when the salad was picked only 20 minutes prior. When you grow your own food, you are not just saving a trip to the grocery store, you are providing your family with flavor and nutrition that simply cannot be bought. April is truly the sweet spot in our gardening calendar. The soil is waking up, the days are stretching longer, and it is time to get serious about your edible landscape. Today, I want to guide you through the essentials of a successful mountain harvest. Before we ever tuck a seedling into the ground, we must talk about the kitchen for your plants, the soil. In our neck of the woods, the native soil can be a bit lean. To grow vegetables that are heavy with juice and vitamins, you must amend. I always recommend a 50-50 blend of your native soil and Watters Premium mulch, or you can plant directly into Watters Perfect potting soil because vegetables are heavy feeders. They need a buffet of nutrients readily available. Adding a healthy dose of 6-4-4-7 fruit and vegetable food at planting time ensures your peppers and squash have the nitrogen they need for green growth and the calcium required for heavy fruiting. Right now, while the morning air is still crisp, it is the perfect time for your leafy greens and root crops. These plants actually prefer the cooler temperatures of April. Leafy greens, plant buttercrunch lettuce, Swiss chard, and kale now. They handle light frost well and actually taste sweeter when grown in the cold. Root crops, get your red Pontiac potatoes and Danvers half-long carrots in the ground. Carrots love loose, sandy soil, so if your garden is heavy in clay, add extra perlite to help those roots grow straight and deep. The humble pea, sugar snap peas, are a family favorite and very easy for children to pick and eat right off the vine. Just be sure to provide a trellis or a wire fence for them to climb. And for something truly special, look for the firefly petunia. This horticultural marvel integrates bioluminescence directly into its DNA, allowing the white blooms to emit a soft, lime green glow at dusk. It transforms your twilight garden into a living sanctuary of light. If you are limited on space, start with herbs. Rosemary and lavender are Mediterranean staples that thrive in our dry air and come back year after year. For the kitchen, sweet basil is a must, but wait until nights are consistently above 50 degrees. While we enjoy our cool season crops, we are also planning for the big three: tomatoes, peppers, and squash. These go in the first week of May, once the risk of frost has passed. The trick to a great tomato in our climate is consistent moisture. A thick layer of premium mulch around the base acts like a mountain blanket, keeping the roots cool and the moisture steady so your fruit does not crack. I often tell folks at the garden center that gardening is the slowest of the performing arts. It teaches us patience and rewards us with self-reliance. When you teach a child to plant a seed and eventually harvest a cucumber, you are teaching them where life comes from. So head out into the garden this week, check your irrigation lines, sharpen your trowel, and get your hands in the dirt. Your future self and your family will thank you come July. Until next week, I will be here helping gardeners plant perfect vegetables at Watters Garden Center.